For video conferencing and video surveillance projects, high-bandwidth USB data transmission is the key, which can significantly improve the clarity and fluency of the video. For VR games, high-bandwidth USB data transfer can optimize the realistic experience of the game. For portable storage device and hard disk array cabinets, high-bandwidth USB data transmission can save transmission time and make your work more efficient. The traditional USB data cable has only supported USB 2.0, USB 3.0 specification, and the bandwidth is only 480 megabits per second and 5 gigabits per second. It cannot meet the high bandwidth and low latency requirements of the above applications, which may easily cause blurred video images and delays, and data transmission is slow. For solving the problems mentioned above, Bridgee has developed a USB 3.1 C-port fiber optic cable, Prof U10CC. It can be seen from the packaging that this cable complies with the USB 3.1 protocol, has a large bandwidth of 10 gigabits per second, and can transmit high-definition images at high speed, and backward compatible with USB 2.0/3.0, up to 50 feet, 15 m, no extra power required, plug and play. Pass EMI test, transmits signal without fear of electromagnetic interference. Let's unpack the package and check what are in it. The cable plug is made of silver zinc alloy shell, which is sturdy and wear resistant, concise and atmospheric, and can protect the internal components from damage. German chips and American laser device is used inside the plug so that the cable has a long life and can transmit 10 gigabits per second signals efficiently and stably. A high-tech engine brings high-definition and smooth images to video conferences and VR games. The connector uses special gold-plated process so that it's excellent antioxidant and durable. Both plugs have groove design, which are convenient for plugging. Reinforced tail sleeve design at the end to prevent the cable from loosening and make the connection more stable. The cable adopts OM310 gigabit multimode fiber, which can efficiently transmit signals without delay. It can realize real-time communication and interaction in video conferences without lag, and also make the human-computer interaction of VR games smoother. The length of the cable is up to 50 feet, 15 m, which is convenient for the wiring of video conference projects. The cable is slim and soft, so you can move conveniently in various VR occasions. The cable has device and host directional marks. The device end is connected to the device end, such as camera, mobile hard disk, and VR helmet, and the host end is connected to the host and the display. It is very convenient to use. This cable can be used to connect a camera and a computer for high-definition video conference. The cable can be connected to the VR helmet and computer, and supports high-speed game signals transmission, which makes the picture gorgeous and realistic, and the human-machine operation is real-time without lag. Next, we connect the computer and the mobile hard disk to measure the transmission speed. It can be seen that the reading and writing speed is very fast, reaching XXX per second, which greatly saves the data transmission time and facilitates efficient work. If you want to know more about this product, go to Bridgee.cc.